Okay, Papa's here. Are you ready to come to Papa? What?
Derek Ramsey is super happy at full-time dad tuwing kasama niya ang kanyang anak na si Liana Ramsey. Nakakatuwa lamang dahil napaka-father figure niya sa kanyang unika iha. Napakasaya ng kanilang bahay tuwing pumupunta ang kanyang anak na si Lily, lalong-lalo na ang kanyang mga lolo at lola. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated.
Here we go. Lily Poday. Oh, careful, buddy. Lily Poday. And that's Jacko. And Lily's going to show that she can swim. Okay? All right. Here we go. Nice. Here we go. Lily's going to show. Naka-record na po yan. Okay. Ready? Swim to nanay. Ready? Go. 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 Good job. Very good, Lily. Very good, Lily. Wow! Wow! High five! High five! High five to Papa! High five to Papa! High five! Yeah, baby!
At syempre tuwing nariyan nga si Lily sa bahay ng kanyang daddy Derek, only swimming nga siya dahil may sarili silang swimming pool. Hindi na kailangan lumayo dahil mahilig naman talaga mag-swimming itong si Lily, kaya naman perfect na perfect ang pinagawang swimming pool ni daddy Derek sa kanyang bahay.
Oh, good job! That was amazing. Oh, you go back. Go back. Go. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Wow! High five. High five.
At alagang-alaga talaga ni Daddy Derek ang kanyang anak na si Lily. Pagkatapos nga nilang mag-swimming ay banding naman sa kainan. Syempre, pinagluto nga itong si Lily ng paboritong pancake at talaga namang gustong-gusto at medyo nagutom nga sa kaso-swimming.
What are you eating?
Pancake.
Pancake?
No.
No?
But.
Can you eat it? Is it yummy? Do, badu, 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 badu. Is it yummy? Is that pancake yummy? Okay, try it. You eat like a rabbit. You look like a rabbit. You like milk?
Milk.
Oh!
At palagi namang very cute ang mga outfit na ipinapasuot ng kanyang daddy Derek para sa kanya at ipinamimili siya nito. Tuwang-tuwa ang kanyang lolo at lola dito kay Lily dahil mayroon nga silang little doll sa bahay. Siya nga ang happiness ng bawat isa sa bahay ni Daddy Derek Ramsey. Libang na libang nga si Lily dito at nagpapakitang gilas nga sa kanyang pagsayaw dahil nanonood ang kanyang lolo at lola dito sa sala ng kanyang daddy Derek.
Whoa! Where's Lily's dance moves? Where's Lily's dance moves? Yeah! Tell Papa to dance. Ask Papa why to dance. Wow! Dance with Gigi. Dance with Gigi. With Gigi. Wow! Where's your dance moves?
Your hands.
How about your hands? Wow!
Dito nga sa bahay ni Daddy Derek ay iba pa ang kanyang personal yaya sa personal yaya niya tuwing nasa bahay siya ni Mami Ellen. Nakakatuwa lamang dahil marami ang nag-aalaga dito kay Lily at hindi problema ang tagabantay. Ganyan talaga silang kayaman ng kanyang Daddy Derek dahil kayang-kayang kumuha ng kahit na ilan na personal yaya.
Puday. Puday, that's who? That's Papa. Papa Kidlat. Oh, dance moves.
I got
Daddy White ass kitty. Oh no.
please.
Please. Share. Oh, don't hurt Daddy White. Say sorry. Say sorry, Daddy White. Say sorry. Okay. Say sorry, Daddy White. Oh, that's. Say sorry, Daddy White. Say sorry to Daddy White. Lily, Puday, who is that? Who are you holding? Who is that? That's Papa. Correct. That's Papa. Oh, there's Uncle. There's Uncle with the funny accent. Hello. Hello. Say hello. Papa. Bye, Papa. Papa went fly. Buddy, careful.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Wow, wow, wow. Hey, buddy, how are you? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Uncle is here. What are you doing? Hide. You're hiding. Look, he's drinking milk like you. Where are you going? Okay, coffee machine's ready. Come here, sweetheart. Let's go. You ready to make my coffee?
Si Lily ay hindi naman naiinip sa bahay ng kanyang Daddy Derek tuwing siya ay nagpupunta doon dahil marami ring tao sa mansyon ni Daddy. May mga gumagala rin at may nakakalaro din nga itong si Lily na mga kapwa niya bata. Kaya naman napakasaya ni Lily tuwing naroon siya sa mansyon at may sarili pa nga siyang play area na kung saan napakadaming toy na ipinamili sa kanya ng Daddy Derek.
Where's the turtle? That's a fish, yes. That's fish. That's a yellow fish. That's right, Matthias.
Basketball.
Where's the whale? Lily, where's the whale? Where's the whale, Lily? Where's the whale?
Slide, Lily, slide.
Yes, correct. Jax.
Iakit ko yung mga t-shirts mo, ha?
Wow.
Pakainin na namin
My goodness, chaos. Wow. Basketball. Oh, careful. Careful, guys. Okay, can you show me the colors of the balls? Can you get where's the yellow one? Show me the yellow one. That's good. Okay, put it in there. Good. Very good. Where's the pink? Let me see. Wow! You lost the blue. Where did the blue one go? Okay, what are those? What's that? That's not a dolphin, that's a whale. What's that? What's that? Crab, yes. Oh. Oh. No more. Okay, can you get the blue ball? I want you to get the blue ball.
Blue.
That's not blue. Show me.
Blue ball.
That's yellow and pink.
Yellow and pink.
Oh, goodbye ball.
Get it.
Oh, goodbye ball. Get the blue ball.